Your AMG can buy this 3-bedroom bungalow right here, and with your 1-year rent in Lekki, it can be yours today. Don't believe me? Come check it out. I am currently at Lekki Avana Phase II, the most talked about bungalow estate in Elerangbe, Ibeju-Lekki. And behind me is a 4-bedroom bungalow that is worth every penny. In fact, if you leave this video right now, you will regret not staying to the end. I'm about to show you what you can never find anywhere else. Your first step into this bungalow, you see this beautiful sitting room here. My God, this is pure heaven on earth. I bet you would never find anything like this. Can you see it? Omo money sweet. Can you see it? Heaven on earth. And over here is the open kitchen, built to impress you. If you know me very well, if you know the fanboy broker very well, you should know by now that he only brings deals that are built to impress you. Why? Because I am a fanboy broker and I only bring you fine deals in Lagos real estate. Now, before we take a step further and I show you the rooms, let me tell you a little bit about this estate that we are in. You know, if I was to put all my money that I've worked for in an investment, I'll put it here, right in Lekki Avana Phase II. And you would ask why? I'll tell you. Come closer, there with me. You see, not much estates are built like this. In fact, you would even hardly see a fully bungalow estate in Lagos or in Ibeju-Lekki. But I brought this to you knowing that it is one of the most hottest property people want in Lagos, Nigeria. You know why? It's not too high, not too low. It just fits perfectly. If you are a small family, you're starting life, a single sharp guy, or you're probably a retiree and you're looking for a way to come back from the UK, the US, Canada to relax, then you need a bungalow. Because at your old age, you don't want stress, you don't want ups and downs, you want to relax and enjoy your life. That's why I'm bringing you this bungalow in Lekki Avana Phase II. They call me the fanboy broker. Do you know why? Because I bring the best deals in Lagos real estate. So once you leave the sitting room and the open kitchen, you see this first room here. Oh my God, I have never seen anything like this. I have never seen anything like this. Look at the space. Some landlords in Lagos will use this 1-bedroom space to do a self-con, and the cost of this house will surprise you. I am telling you, the cost will surprise you. In fact, when you hear the cost, you would ask me, fine boy broker, this price you're calling, did you steal this house? And right here is your what? Walk-in closet. See, if you're someone like me who usually loves to show the fan side of him or her, I mean, I'm a fanboy, just stay here and, you know, take care of yourself, apply your makeup, wear your suit, and flex life. See, life was meant to be enjoyed, all right? See, if you don't enjoy life, you're on a long thing. That's your money in your account. In fact, don't even pay rent this year. I'm telling you, don't pay your next rent. Come, see my face. See my face. Don't pay rent this year. Bring out your 1-year rent and deposit for this house, and it will be yours. And by the right year, you have your bathroom and toilet. You would never find, if you see any bungalow like this with this quality, Miss Lagos, please call me. Hmm? Call me. Let me come and take it. Prove me wrong. Look at the space. That first bedroom, walk straight. By your left like this, you see second room. Look at that. Look at. See space now. Negodu space. Negodu quality. Negodu quality now. What is talking about? Life is sweet. Life is sweet. If you have money, enjoy life. Alright? Buy quality things like this. Look at that. Over here, you have your bathroom and toilet, but sadly, it's currently locked. Don't worry. What you saw over there is what we have here. Over there is your wardrobe, as you can see. Right? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. And once you leave here, just a bit, what you see here next is what? The next room. You're currently in the third room. You know, one thing you can ever do for yourself after working this hard, after all the hurdles and everything, is to reward yourself with a good home to live in. You know, we have what we call a house, and we have what we call a home. This one here, na home. There with me. Over here, you have your wardrobe. They go do space. There with me. Over there is your toilet. So once we leave here like this, you enter the last room. Now I'm going to show you the part you all want to hear. That is the amount and how to be a part of the Lekki Avana bungalow owner. But before that, I want to show you around this bungalow, the environment. I forgot. Once you enter, by your left is the visitors' toilet. You see, in fact, it big past some main toilets for Lagos. I always say, I only bring you deals that are built to impress you. Now, what really makes me impressed about this building is the fact that they invest as much as they are investing inside, outside. All right. It gives you a very large space. This compound can park your G-Wagon. It can park your AMG. It can park your, what again? Your Wrangler, your Jeep. It can park anything you are driving and can carry, you know, a mini party, get together or whatever. Look at it. It is fully and well planned. It is everything you would ever want in a home. Look at the space. Look at the space. Look at how it is. You have this massive space here that you can enjoy life. Your children can play around here, and what is there not to love? What is there not to love? And you will see the estate that this bungalow is located, and oh, it is actually a resort. Yeah, it's a resort, and they have a football court here. So you are always flexible, you know. We care about your health very much. We care about your health very much. That's why we spend time to equip this estate. It's going to come with a resort area. It's going to have children's playground. It's going to have a basketball court. You're going to have 24/7 power supply. They're going to have 24/7 security. And we are going to have the cleanest water in this estate. So life here is peaceful. I'm telling you, life here is peaceful. Now, before I came in here, Lagos Sun does with me. Immediately I got here like this, bam. Skin became fresh, started popping. started popping. I became more fresh. That's the effect of living or entering Lekki Avana Phase II. Now, imagine just entering here and you're like me, this fresh. What happens when you live here? The way you go fresh, it will be like ice fish for water. Oh, Jesus. Look at the street lights. Look at the flowers. I see now results. It's a result. Every time we come here, I always see workers on site. I have shown you what we have here for you at Lekki Avana Phase II. And I believe that you love it. Like it for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend, for your mom, for your dad, for your family, or your side chick. Although we have two types of this bungalow right here in Lekki Avana Phase II.
And the first one we have, which is the one we are currently inside, is the 4-bedroom bungalow without a swimming pool. And it is going for 85 million naira, fully finished, and it is all inclusive. And we have the 3-bedroom bungalow without a swimming pool, fully finished, going for 78 million naira. It is all inclusive. And remember, any of this bungalow, whether the 3-bedroom or the 4-bedroom, can become yours today if you make a deposit of just 5 million naira. Then you can spread the balance in the period of 12 months, 1 good year. Remember, it is delivered fully finished. It is all inclusive. And yes, it has a C of O as a title, so you have nothing to fear. You are in safe hands.
Call us now and get your unit secured. We have just few left. As you know, I always bring deals that are built to impress you and to add value to your money. So you won't just work and spend on rubbish, but you spend on quality like this one right here.
And before you leave this video, I have a good news for you. I have a good deal for you. Remember, I'm the fine boy broker, so I only bring you fine deals. I don't want you to get your house moving and then you start spending too much to buy things. So I am giving you this free washing machine here if you own this bungalow today. Yes, if you buy any of this bungalow today, either the 4-bed or the 3-bed, this washing machine goes with you for free. It's not fake, not second hand, not UK used. It is fully brand new, and I'm giving it to you for free if you buy this bungalow today. Yes. So what are you waiting for? Buy this bungalow today from True Asset Limited, and we are going to give you a brand new washing machine for free.
My name is the Fine Boy Broker, and our clients in diaspora who are Nigerians confirm that I bring them the best deals in Lagos real estate. If you're doubting me, try me and see. Call me now and I'll show you testimonials. I'll show you proof or what we've done for our clients in diaspora who are Nigerians, even our clients that are living here in Nigeria. So call us now and we will help you secure a unit or more in Lekki Avana Phase II. It is the best place to put your money into right now. I'm telling you, C of O, fully secured, fully verified. We have things built in here to impress you. If you don't believe me, leave it. If you don't get it, forget about it. But flood will not happen here. Omonile will not happen here. Demolition, you won't see it here. You won't see it here. If you see I'm here, man, know why. I'm going, if you want to buy, call me now. Call me now. See you in the next video. Kindly like, subscribe, share, comment, and check our next video or recommended video and enjoy yourself.